Your commentary at Amy's.
Here we are, going through the outback of Wellingborough, where we see the wild Chris swearing at a fucking swan. The swan is turning back, with its wife looking onwards from over there. Look at that white swanny cunt.
Are you videoing this?
Throw some food at it. It is squaring up to the wild boy. There is a fucking fly on my hand. The boy is swearing at the swan. It's going to get his penis bitten off by the queen. That is bigger than a fucking duck. It's another swan. Here we are, split between the wild human being in the swan's natural habitat, the bog.
And we come.
There are fuckloads of stinging nettles. Over there is a girl that cannot wear proper, appropriate clothing. What a
Call her
dickhead.
David. She wouldn't survive on Bear Grylls Island.
The wild man appears to have scared off the swan. The territory is now his, and
claimed
the
the
bitches
territory back
shall be
from the
taken.
swan.
Look at that beautiful ass of the male human being.
I'm out of my territory.
The swan has moved back to the water, making a swift getaway. Will that be the end? The human commented that it was a pussy. Fuck it right in the pussy, as those human beings say. I've been James Attenborough. Crag Banner, good night.